What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about some updates for Sundial Growers stock, ticker SNDL. But before we start today's video, I just want to thank everyone for all of their support. We finally hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers here on this channel. So with that, I'd like to announce the winner of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, Lewis Smith. Congratulations, Lewis. You can claim your prize by going to my YouTube channel homepage and sending me an email. So with all of that being said, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into today's video. Since the last time that we talked about Sundial Growers here on this channel, although the share price is down at the time that I'm recording this video, over the past week we have actually seen an enormous uptrend in the share price overall. With this movement stemming from the news that the Democrats had won both runoff elections in Georgia earlier this week. A catalyst that, for those of you who have been following my channel for a while, would know we were expecting to happen. In addition to the positive news coming out about the Senate, Sundial also provided some positive news of its own, stating that they have just recently received their first principal payment of $7 million coming from Zenabis. Despite all of the positive news that has been coming out about Sundial recently, and also the political news that has been helping to drive the share price higher, there do still continue to be a lot of bears whenever it comes to Sundial Growers, such as this article by Larry Sullivan. In his article, Sullivan compares Sundial and other MJ stocks to sparklers, stating that they give off a few encouraging sparks before they go dark. In the article, Sullivan goes on to cite multiple different concerns regarding Sundial Growers, areas that we've actually talked about previously on this channel and that I feel that Sundial is actually moving in the right direction on. His concerns were in Sundial's balance sheet, although he does acknowledge that Sundial did recently just clear their debt, and he also raised concerns about the possibility that Sundial could be delisted from the NASDAQ if they're unable to get their share price above $1. And he closes out his thoughts by stating that, although Sundial executives have been steering operations from an emphasis on wholesale to retail and branded products with a goal of increasing profits, this may be too little too late, and investors would be wise to avoid the stock until its picture is clearer. Now, while Sullivan is right that there are risks involved with investing in Sundial, personally, I believe that the company has a lot more potential ahead of it, especially with the United States moving closer and closer to legalization. But despite the potential that I think Sundial Growers has ahead of it in the long term, right now in the short term, I wouldn't be surprised to see the share price pull back. Sundial does have strong resistance at around 85 cents per share, and it's going to take another big catalyst, in my opinion, to help the share price to shoot past that resistance and get over $1 per share. Once he is officially inaugurated, Joe Biden is going to have some bigger things on his plate, such as the global pandemic and ensuring that the vaccine is distributed efficiently. In my opinion, legalization is going to take the back burner for still quite some time, but it's hard to argue that we are still getting closer and closer to legalization, and I think that this could be a huge catalyst to the MJ industry as a whole, not only the Canadian companies, but also the American-based companies here as well. What are your thoughts on Sundial Growers stock? Are you invested in SNDL? Where do you see the share price going over the short term and the long term? Do you expect to see the share price breaking past $1 in the near future? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you want me to talk about in future videos, please be sure to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.